Are you sick of cleaning for hours and still feeling like you've missed something? Picture having a bunch of tools that can make even the most boring chores easy. Keep reading, because we're about to show you 10 clever cleaning tools that will transform how you clean for good. Remember to click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our newest tips and tricks. High-powered cordless vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect is changing the vacuum cleaner game. Its strong suction handles even the hardest to clean dirt and junk. The laser on the cleaner head shows hidden dust on hard floors, giving a deep clean. It has many attachments, so you can use it for different cleaning jobs. The vacuum's battery lasts a long time, letting you clean for ages without plugging it in again. Because it's light and easy to move, you can reach tight spots and high places with no trouble. The anti-tangle parts stop hair from wrapping around the brush roll, so you don't have to clean it as much. All in all, the Dyson V15 Detect cleans well and is super handy to use. Multi-surface steam cleaner. The Klik and Flip automatic steam mop cleans and sanitizes different surfaces using steam, not harsh chemicals. Its steam blast removes tough stains and dirt with ease. This mop has a double-sided cleaning pad you can flip over, letting you clean twice as much floor without changing cloths. It warms up fast, in just 30 seconds, and gives you 3 steam options, low, medium, and high, for different types of floors. You can release the cleaning pads hands-free, so you don't have to touch anything. This steam mop works great in homes with kids and pets because it cleans without chemicals. It leaves hard floors spotless and germ-free, helping you feel good about having a cleaner home. Electric power scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal cordless battery power scrubber helps you clean without breaking a sweat. Its battery keeps charging, and the spinning brush heads scrub away dirt from tiles, bathrooms, and kitchen surfaces. You'll find it easy to hold, so your hands won't get tired even if you clean for a while. This scrubber doesn't weigh much and can handle water, so you can use it pretty much anywhere. It packs a punch, which means you won't have to put in as much effort. This saves you time and energy. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains or just doing your regular cleaning, this electric scrubber gets the job done. If you want to make cleaning less of a chore, this gadget is a great addition to your toolkit. Dust cleaning gel. Dust cleaning gel is changing the way we tidy up, making it a piece of cake. This sticky goo gets into those tough spots you can't reach, like between keyboard keys, inside car vents, and the tiny gaps in your gadgets. Just work a bit of the gel into a ball, push it onto the surface, and pull it off to see all the dust and dirt it picks up. You can keep using it until it turns dark from all the grime it's collected, which means it's good for your wallet and the planet. The gel won't harm kids or pets, so you can use it without worry. It works on all sorts of things, from your tech stuff to things around the house, so it's a great addition to your cleaning kit. With this gel, you can forget about scrubbing and enjoy a quick, easy clean instead. Drill brush set. Drill brush sets pack a punch in any cleaning toolkit. These kits come with different brush attachments that hook up to a cordless drill, turning it into a supercharged cleaning machine. The brushes are made to take on stubborn gunk on grout, tiles, bathroom fixtures, and even car interiors. With a drill's extra oomph, cleaning gets done way faster and better. The long handles on these brushes let you get into tight spots and high places without breaking your back. This makes them great for deep cleaning jobs that would take forever and wear you out. The nylon bristles are soft on surfaces, but tough on dirt, giving a good clean without leaving scratches. All in all, drill brush sets are a game changer for anyone who wants to speed up their cleaning routine and make it more effective. Bike chain cleaner. Keeping your bike chain clean plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth rides and extending your bike's lifespan. A bike chain cleaner such as the Muc-Off X3 Dirty Chain Machine makes this job fast and effective. This tool uses a biodegradable cleaning solution that gets deep into the chain, getting rid of dirt and grime. The X3 design keeps the clean solution separate from the dirty one, which results in a thorough clean. You can use it without taking the chain off the bike. Using a bike chain cleaner can stop metal on metal friction, which can wear out your chain and other drivetrain parts. A clean chain helps your bike work better and need fewer fixes. This gadget is a must-have for any cyclist who wants to keep their bike in great shape without much effort. Sonic Scrubber. The Sonic Scrubber has an influence on cleaning by using ultrasonic waves to clean. This tool sends out high-frequency sound waves to create tiny shakes, which help to remove dirt, grime, and stains from many surfaces. You can use it on fragile things like glassware, ceramics, and even screens for electronics. But it's also strong enough to clean tough stains on kitchen counters and bathroom tiles. To use the Sonic Scrubber, you just move it over the surface, and it cleans away dirt and mess without much effort. Its small size lets you clean hard-to-reach spots and small details. If you use it often, you'll see your home looking much cleaner. This tool is great for anyone who wants to make cleaning easier and get good results. Mopping Slippers. Mopping slippers offer a fun and groundbreaking way to keep your floors clean. These slippers have microfiber pads built into them that catch dust, dirt, and hair as you walk through your home. They work well for quick cleanups and suit homes with kids and pets. You can wash and reuse the microfiber pads, which makes them good for the environment and saves you money. To use mopping slippers, you just put them on and walk around your home to clean the floors without much work. You can find them in many fun designs and colors, which add some fun to your cleaning. They make cleaning less of a chore and help keep your floors spotless without much effort. With mopping slippers, you can say goodbye to old mops and enjoy cleaning more. Fabric Shaver. A fabric shaver helps you get rid of lint, fuzz, and pills from your clothes, giving them a fresh new look. It works by trimming off the tiny fuzz balls that build up on fabrics as time goes by, without hurting the material. This tool comes in handy for sweaters, blankets, and other textured fabrics that tend to peel quickly. If you use a fabric shaver often, it can make your clothes last longer and keep them looking great. It's not hard to use, just run the shaver over the fabric, and you'll see it take off the unwanted fuzz with ease. Its small size means you can carry it around, so you can use it when you're on the go or at home. With a fabric shaver, you can say bye to those ugly pills and hello to clothes that look almost new. Long-handled duster. A duster with a long handle is a must-have for cleaning high places without ladders or stools. These dusters have poles that stretch up to 100 inches, making it a breeze to clean fans on the ceiling, high shelves, and other spots that are tough to reach. The head's made of microfiber grab and keep dust, giving a deep clean without spreading dust around. You'll find many models with heads that bend, letting you clean corners and small spaces well. The lightweight and comfy handle make it easy to use, putting less stress on your arms and shoulders. These long-handled dusters work great for everyday dusting and big cleaning jobs. They're also good for people who have trouble moving or don't want to climb ladders. With one of these dusters, you can keep your home free of dust without much work. That's it. We've looked at 10 clever cleaning tools that do the job. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more and click the bell so you know when we post something new. With that, thanks for sticking around. Until next time.